Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Plex Media Server for the first time. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is have the app on your device. So we're going to be heading over to Play Store, and then in the search bar, simply search for Plex. Hit Go or Enter on your keyboard and then hit the install icon right next to Plex. Once it's installed on your device, head over to your app drawer and then open up Plex on your device. Once you're inside Plex, you must hit sign up if you do not have an account. Plex will then redirect you to your browser where you can continue with Google, continue with Apple, or enter your email address along with your password and then hit create an account. After you've created an account, Plex will automatically sign you in and then you can start using the app. But if you already have an account, you do not need to create an account. Simply hit sign in at the Plex landing page. Plex will again redirect you to your browser. Here too, you can continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with your email. If you tap on continue with your email, you must enter your email or username along with your password and then hit sign in. Once you're signed in to your browser, Plex will sign you in to the app as well. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.